Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Saror Digital Learning. Students, as we have started practice set number 50, so today we will see question number 2. So let's start. Which of the options given below is the square of the binomial 8 minus 1 upon x? See here in the example, it is 8 minus 1 upon x. That means the example is of the type a minus b whole square. Yeah, keep in the mind, as minus sign is over here, so this example is of the type a minus b whole square. Now as you know, the formula for a minus b whole square is what? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So as we know that in this expansion, first there is a minus sign and then there is a plus sign. Yeah, depending upon this question, a minus b square, first we have in the answer minus sign and then plus sign. So from this formula we come to know that in the answer also we will be having first minus sign and then the plus sign. Okay, just keep this central idea in the brain, that in the answer first we will have the minus sign and then plus sign. So verbally also you can get the answer. Since here is only minus, so this is not the answer. Here also only plus sign is there, so this is not the answer. Here first there is a minus and and then the plus. Yeah, it may be the answer. We will check it out now. And here it is a plus and plus, so definitely this is not the answer. Okay, so option number 1, 2 and 4 will not be the answer, since here is the minus sign. So let's verify the answer now. Practice number 50, question number 2. See here, as we have first of all we have 8 minus 1 upon x. Yeah, so here our a is 8 and b is, very good, 1 upon x. A is 8 and b is 1 upon x. Now since here is the minus sign, so we will go with the formula, as you know, a minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square. For you know, yes, tell, better tell. Very good, a square minus 2ab, and here is a plus, first minus then plus b square. So this is the formula. Now just assign the values to this variable. So our a is 8, so 8 square, then minus as it is, 2 as it is, between 2 and a nothing is there, that is a multiplication. A is again our 8, again multiplication. Now b is our 1 upon x. The value of b is 1 upon x. Okay, then after b it is a plus, so right here plus, and b square means, very good, 1 upon x square, 1 upon x whole square. In this step we have assigned the values to the formula. Now see here, it's very simple now. 8 square is, very good, many of you are giving the answer. 8 square is 64. Now as you know, if there is a minus, it comes minus only. In the last session I have proved you this. Okay, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, and 16 into 1 is 16, so this will be 16 upon x. Okay, now here plus as it is, 1 square is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, so it is 1, and now here x square is x square is always x square. So this will be the final answer of this. So as in the question, see here, 64 minus 16 upon x. So this is the option. Yeah, third option is the correct answer. they asked us which of the options given below is the square of the binomial. So that is the answer. Therefore 64 minus 16 upon x plus 1 upon x square is the square of binomial 8 minus 1 upon x. Okay, so got the proof of this answer. Now let's see question number 3 now. Of which of the binomials given below is m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49p square q square the expansion? In short, they are asking us whose answer is this. Yeah, so as you can see here and observe also beta, that here is a plus sign and again a plus sign. That means this is the expansion of, this is the answer of a plus b square. See here, this is m plus n and p plus q. Now we don't have this formula just now. This mn minus pq minus is there? No. 7mn plus pq, yeah, it may be, but as you know the formula a plus b square is equals to a square. Yeah, so if our a is suppose mn, listen carefully, suppose if our a is mn, as here we have m square n square, so a square will be m square n square, so this cannot be the option then. So number fourth one, yeah, mn. So if our a is mn and b is 7pq, then we have formula a plus b square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah, so then we have a square, that is mn square, that is m square n square, so we should go with this one. So we may get the answer this one. Yeah, because this 3 will be wrong. So let's start now. Question number 3. So first of all they are given us the expansion. And there are 4 options. So out of that we'll go with, as you got the basic idea of this, mn plus 7 pq. Now here in this our a is m into n, yeah, and our b is 7 pq. Okay, now as in the expansion there are 2 plus sign, so this example is of the type a plus b whole square. So we have to write the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. After writing the formula, you know the method beta. Our a square is m n whole square. Mn is our a, and you have to do the square of that. Then after a square there is a plus, so right here plus. Okay, after plus there is a 2 into a is our again mn, so write in the bracket mn. Again after a there is a multiplication sign. B is our 7pq, 7p into q. Okay, after that we have assigned the values to this 2ab. After there is a plus, so right here plus, then it is a b square. Our b is 7pq, so it will be 7pq whole square. Okay, We have just assigned the values to this formula. Okay. Now see here. What is mn square? Mn square means m square also and n square also. So the mn square is, see here, mn square means mn into mn. Yeah. So n into n is very good n square, and m into m is very good m square. Yeah. M into n into n is m square n square. So here mn square will be m square n square. Now plus is here. Now see here, 2 into nothing is there, that means 1 is there. 2 into 1 is 2, and into 7. So 2 into 7 is 14. So right here 14. Okay, right here 14. Now see here, according to the order of ABCD, m into n into p into q will be m n p q. Okay, then plus 7pq whole square, that means square of 7. Square of 7 is very good 49. Okay, and p square is p square, q square is q square. Yeah. So this was only given in the question to us. This was only given in the question to us. You can see here. You can see here m square n square, m square n square, plus 14 mn pq, 14 mn pq, plus 49 p square q square, plus 49 p square q square. Okay. So this is the answer. So at last you would write, therefore m square n square plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p square q square is the expansion of the binomial which one beta? Very good, that is mn plus 7pq, of the binomial mn plus 7pq. Okay, very easy. Just go through the example once, twice and practice. Thank you.